Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by holinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Shopperstop stock, which is a very good stock, and it has been in the retail industry, and particularly into this ready-made garments and all the stuff. I mean, you know this. You might have gone to this brick and mortar stores of Shopperstop so far, and they have been there in this industry for the past so many years. And now we got an opportunity to do the technical analysis for Shopperstop when it comes to swing trading. Today we are focusing. This particular video is focusing on the swing trading opportunity of Shopperstop. Okay. Now that also from the technical analysis point. Okay, that's the reason why I opened the day chart of Shopperstop. Normally for swing trading we look at the day chart of any stock. So for Shopperstop also I open the day chart of technical analysis day chart of Shopperstop. What you're seeing is the trend graph of Shopperstop along with other indicators. Okay, what this stock is telling us, the stock has been, if you look at the, before you analyze any stock, it is always better to look at the overall trend of the overall history of the stock. Okay, now if you look at the Shopperstop stock, you see from if you look at the analysis, you can clearly see that this particular stock has been moving sideways. Okay, actually it has been moving sideways, and it is neither going up nor going down. Actually it is like it is just whiling away time. Only after August, okay, recently, that means recently, today is October 21st, August, September, October, okay, only after August 18th, this stock has started its upward journey. And though it is not like a smooth journey, there are ups and downs, and whenever is the stock started pulling down, it is consolidating here and there, and the consolidation is happening very rapidly, very frequently. But if you see, it is making new highs every time. Okay, so that helps the stock, the price move up. Which is what we want, right? Finally, that is what we want. The stock has to, the price of the stock has to move up, and then only we can we all can get benefited. So now, if you look at the trend here, actually the positive trend has started a long time ago. That means I am talking about super trend here, which is, look at the green color arrows. Okay, so the super trend has started a long time ago, and it was in June, and it is still going on, and the stock has already crossed its 20-day, 20-day moving average, and which is another positive sign. But from investment angle, or from the pace of the price movement angle, what I'm seeing is like, you see these things here, you see these things here, you see these things here. So all this indicates that the there is like two steps forward and one step backward kind of thing. So the and actually one more this thing. Okay, this is this trend here. So all this indicates that the stock is moving two steps forward and one step backward, two steps forward and one step backward. So maybe that is the reason why this particular stock is not getting huge momentum when it comes to the price. That's what I'm saying. That's what I feel. But anyway, when it comes to the swing trading, I clearly see that the stock is not in a is not moving in the highest pace. It is just how I can categorize. It is like slow to medium pace. Okay, we can categorize the stock, the price movement of the stock in slow to medium pace. So slowly it grows. Okay, it is growing very slowly. If at all it is growing, it is growing very slowly. The price, when it comes to the price, okay, but it is growing. That's what we can say at the moment. Whatever we had discussed so far, whether other technical indicators are also supporting this particular trend or not. Okay, the only when other indicators are also supporting this trend, what this analysis, whatever we discussed so far, then only we can come to a conclusion. otherwise the conclusion changes. So now we look at the RSI, which is a very popular technical indicator. It indicates the relative strength of the stock, and what we are seeing right now is, like, the it is peaking up. It is peaking up. It is already touching 80 line here. This is the 80 line, and it is already touching the 80 line. And look at the tip. The tip is again looking toward in the upward direction, planning to touch once more 80. So this indicates that there will be a rise in the price. Okay, that's what I can say in layman terms. There will be a rise in the price. Okay, now if you look at the MACD, the see, so far the signal line is on top of the red line, and now it is going to cross the red line. That means the red line is going to be on top of the signal line, which indicates a downward movement in the price, which is quite opposite to what RSI is telling us here. Okay, and if you look at the histogram, even the histogram also started forming red lines, red bars here. So, which is again in alignment with what the MACD lines are telling us. Okay, so finally, what we can say is, like, MACD is not in sync with RSI. Okay, and look at the momentum. Momentum bar, though the momentum graph is above the baseline. Baseline here is the zero. Zero is the baseline here. Okay, is above, the graph is above the zero line, but look at the tip. The tip is moving down. Okay, so if it moves down further bit, then definitely it is. It looks like it is. It may cross the zero line, or at least it may touch the zero line, or it will go near to the zero line, and then it may go up. That we don't know whether again it will take a trend reversal or not. That we don't know. But at the moment, it indicates the momentum is going down. So I feel, as per my analysis, I feel that I should not take RSI into consideration here. I should take MACD and momentum into consideration. And if I, as per based on my experience, in understanding and reading and understanding these charts so far, I feel like Shopperstop in the near term, Shopperstop price is going down. So I feel my analysis says that comes to a conclusion. This conclusion. What is the conclusion? Conclusion is that this is not the right time to invest in Shopperstop stock for when it comes to swing trading perspective. Okay, so we'll put the stock in wait and watch mode, and we'll come back to the stock later after a few days. Then we will see if there are any new developments. Then we will consider the stock and then into our technical analysis, and then we will see how, what sort of conclusion we will make. Until then, we put the stock in wait and watch mode. That's it. That is the analysis at this moment for the Shopperstop swing trading mode. So that's it. So guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.